As someone who used to work directly for James Hardie, before I opened Hawthorn, I was a regional manager at Hardie for 6.5 years. And so I've done more plant tours than I can count, taking other contractors, suppliers, and vendors to the plant to see the product and how it's made. And ColorPlus technology is a fantastic thing. So the product is made there in the plant, and then it goes through a multi-step baked on finish process to create the colors that Hardie offers in their pre-finish collection. And so the product gets primed initially and then goes through an oven to open up the pores to accept the curtain of paint that it goes through. Then it goes through another oven process, through another curtain of paint, and then a curing process again. And so it gets baked into the product really well. There's also the special additives that allow it to fade at 400 times slower rate than a traditional field-based applied paint. And then it also is much more scratch and impact resistance. For example, near my home last year, we had kind of record hailstorm. It destroyed my roof. A lot of the neighbors that have vinyl siding had holes looked like somebody took shotgun blasts around their house. I couldn't find a nick or scratch on my entire home. And that includes to the paint finish. So the hail that was larger than a golf ball did not even impact the finish of the paint. So I truly believe in ColorPlus. I love the fact that we can have the product delivered to your home. It can be the middle of winter and we can install the ColorPlus technology without any concern of temperature. And so I think it's a huge benefit for our clients to be able to do ColorPlus technology for their home.